Hi everyone, NESH's second latest product is the NESH Smart Tap. Everyone look at this Smart Tap, isn't it very beautiful, very tidy, save a lot of space? Let me show you what is the function. So the first button is the capacity button, which you can activate 250 ml, 500 ml and 999 ml. The second one is the temperature for 25 degree, 45, 75, 85 and 95. So the next button is the free flow button for you to have unlimited water. So the next button is the dispense button. Follow the capacity you set to dispense the ml you want. So the last button is the child lock button. If you want to use the hot water for 45 degree and above, you need to unlock the child lock button for 5 seconds. With the beep, then you press the dispense. Smart Tap is so easy to use. Instant hot water just within 3 seconds. Does your kitchen look very clean with only one digital tap? Makes your kitchen small space. Actually, we already keep the water filter machine under the sink, which is one Ocean and one Smart Tap. This Smart Tap doesn't require any maintenance, only Ocean needs maintenance. Ocean maintenance is very simple, just need to change filter. For more details, please watch back our previous video on model N.